Robin, and this is Chloe, and we're going to talk about cats and rabbits today. I often get asked as a rescuer, can cats and rabbits get along? And the answer is yes, in some cases they can. But what you want to do is set them up for success. You have to control the environment. You have to introduce the cat to the rabbit in an environment where the cat doesn't feel predatory. You also need to trim the nails on the cat. Just the tips, the curved part, and your veterinarian can show you how to do that. Should really be done once a month, because when a rabbit is scratched by a cat, that can be a very, very serious thing. It can lead to a serious abscess within 12 hours or a couple of days. So we don't want that to happen. You have to understand that cats play one game, and that game is hunting. And all of the toys for cats out there, they encourage this behavior. We've all seen the little feathers that are attached to a stick or a string, and you pull them along and the cat pounces and has a good time. Well, that's encouraging the natural behavior of a cat, which is to stalk, capture, and kill. So when we introduce a cat to a rabbit, we don't want to set them up in that type of scenario. The best thing to do is to put the bunny inside either a cage or, better yet, a pen. Have a hiding box in there for the rabbit so the rabbit can have someplace to go to feel safe. Also, make sure that the cat can't reach in and swipe or scratch the bunny. That would not be good. If you do it this way, this will give the cat time to observe how the rabbit moves. When a rabbit hops, that can trigger a predatory response from a cat. So we want that cat to observe that rabbit and say, oh, that I guess is normal for that critter. You want to do this with your two animals several days in a row. Don't try to push it. It can take days, it can take a week, it can take a month. When you are comfortable and you feel that the cat and the rabbit are comfortable with each other, then and only then can you give them supervised access to each other. I usually tell people keep it short, short segments. You want to end on a good note. You don't want to be constantly scolding your cat because the cat is chasing the rabbit, or you don't want to be yelling at the rabbit because the rabbit is chasing the cat or is running away in fear of the cat. So keep it short, keep it positive. Just don't try to rush it. One thing I would never do is introduce a baby bunny to a cat. That cat is going to look at that small little baby bunny and go, oh my goodness, that's a meal, I must catch and eat it. The other thing I would be very careful about is introducing a dwarf rabbit to a cat. You just have to use a lot of caution. The most common scenario that we see is you'll have a big bunny and a cat. The cat meets the rabbit. The rabbit charges the cat because, my goodness, what is that big furry thing in my area? Rabbits are very territorial. And the cat looks at that and says, oh my goodness, what is this thing coming at me? I think I'm going to back off. Or the cat may even run away and hide. Just give them time to get used to each other. Some rabbits will rule over cats, but some will become the best of cuddling buddies. So, always use caution. Know your rabbit. Know your cat. Know how they react. Use your intuition. Go slowly and help them develop a lasting friendship. Believe me, it is worth the effort. I hope you've enjoyed this and I hope it helps. Thanks. Have you tried premium hay from Small Pet Select yet? This is the hay I recommend and feed all my babies. It's farm fresh hay that's shipped directly to your door. Available in bulk sizes that cost much less than the small bags sold in stores. Remember, 80% of a small pet's diet should be hay. Get your first box 40% off using the coupon code FRESHERHAY. Order today. Go to smallpetselect.com. Your pet will love you for it.